Alright, so here we are again at Etch-a-Sketch. This time it's part 6. After the Etch-a-Sketch program, blah, blah, blah. Keep more traditional functionality of Etch-a-Sketch. We want the cursor to move in one direction as the user turns the knob. In our case, clicks the directional arrows pointing in the direction they want the cursor to move. Also, in the classic Etch-a-Sketch toy, when the toy is shaken, the previous drawing is erased and the user can start a new image. We include this function as well. Copy and paste your program from part 5. If you don't remember where that is, it's under 630, the very bottom. So I've got mine here. All you have to do is click anywhere, and then Command A will highlight everything. Command C to copy, or Control C if you're on a PC. And just go ahead and paste your code in there. Now I'm pretty sure all the draw stuff is going to stay the same. I'll double check, but I'm like 100% positive that it is. Well, we'll just see where this function starts. And if it's at line 68, then everything's the same. Alright, so we need to add one line of code after 66. We'll go here, push enter to go down. We're going to do write shake font equals brush script MT align equals center. Okay, so then we've got so we need to figure out what the shake is. We need to add a shake in first off. So on line 69, I'm going to click there and just enter once. Then I'm going to enter one more time. Okay, so on line 69, we need to define shake. So we'll do DEF shake. And we're going to do color light gray, speed 0, set H to 0, draw underscore screen. Then we're going to do go to 0, 0. Then on 75, we're going to do set H to 0 again. Then line 76, we're going to do color. This time we're going to do black. And then we'll do speed 3. Alright, so now for 79, we're going to have to change some of this up. And you know what, in fact, I'm just going to delete all of this, and I'm going to start at line 80. Okay, so we've got define go to click XY, that's correct. So now we're going to do if Y is greater than negative 150, and Y is less than negative 100, if X is less than negative 150 and X is greater than negative 175. Set H to 180. If X core is greater than negative 150, forward 10. So now we're going down on line 85. We need to go back to be lined up with the second if. So we'll backspace twice. We're going to do ELIF X is less than negative 75 and X is greater than negative 100. Set H to 0. If X core is less than 150, forward 10. Then we're going to go back and we're going to go backspace twice again. ELIF X is greater than 75 and X is less than 100. Set H to 270. On line 91, we're going to do if Y core is greater than, whoops, we need that to be outside of the parentheses. It's greater than negative 100. Forward 10. Backspace twice again. ELIF X is greater than 150 and X is less than 175. Set H to 90. If Y core is less than 150, forward 10. And we're going to backspace twice again. It's our last one. ELIF Y is less than negative 175 and X is greater than 100. Shake. Okay. Now let's see, we've got speed 0, draw device, very good, shape classic, color black, go to 0, 0, pin down, speed 3, print, click, the triangle buttons to move the cursor. We've got screen equals get screen, screen dash on click, go to click. Okay, we leave all that. Okay, so let's run it, see what happens. Alright, so it says click the triangle buttons to move the cursor. Don't understand. Let me pause here and I'll come back and test it in just a second. I'm gonna do some debugging. Figured it out. Alright, so we actually need to change where shake goes. So here on line 65, we're going to delete this, and we're going to put 150. And here we're going to delete this, and we'll do negative 195. And so now if I run it, shake is down here at the bottom, and every time I click, I can move. Let's say I want to draw a little square or something. And there we go. And then I can click shake. And it should shake. Okay, figured out the second part. So second part, we need to go here and we need to backspace this once. So line 97 needs to be back once, which means that the shake now needs to come back once. So now if we run it, we click shake, yeah, there it goes, and now it works. So I'm drawing a line, if I click shake, there we go, it works, perfect.